So in this, they want us to interpret what's going on with these different functions, and when there is a transformation, what does it mean? So it's really good to wrap your mind around this, and hopefully it'll help. So it says the function g of m gives the number of gallons of gas required to drive m miles. So I'm going to write this down. So g of m, your input is miles. So m is the miles, right? That's the miles. Your output, g of m, the output is gallons of gas. Okay? So m is the input. You know what? I'm going to erase that so it'll look better for you. M is the input. Okay? And that's miles. G of m is the output. Based on how many miles you drive, it's going to tell you how many gallons of gas you need. Okay. Now let's look at what this first one says. G of m plus 10. So G of m, oops, it's a capital G. Capital G. So we're saying, okay, we're going to drive so many miles and figure out how many gallons of gas that is. And then we're going to add 10 more gallons to it. Okay? So we're driving 100 miles and it's going to take, I don't know how many gallons of gas, and 5 gallons of gas. And then we're going to add 10 more gallons. So we go to the pump and we say we want 15 gallons of gas. Okay? So this is an increase in gallons of gas that we're buying or using. Okay. Now let's look at the other one. The other one says G of m plus 10. This says we're going to go so many miles, but maybe we need a few more miles. Maybe we need to add 10 miles just because we don't want to cut it close, kind of thing. So we're going to add 10 miles. So we're adding 10 miles. And then we're going to figure out how many gallons of gas we need. Okay? So we're adding 10 to the miles there, and then figuring out how many gallons of gas we need based on that mileage. Okay? So this, in the first one, we're increasing the gallons of gas that we need by 10. But in this other one, we're increasing the number of miles that we're basing the gallons of gas on. Okay. So I would look that up in the book to see how they explain it as well, because it might help to have two interpretations.